Hello, my name is Ali Ray and this is my campervan custard. Together we travel the length and breadth of the UK, seeking out all the fabulous local food that our regions have to offer. The Club's Eat Local campaign aims to inspire you to bypass the supermarket when you go on holiday and instead seek out the region specialities, shop in the farmers markets and support our independent producers. And of course, to cook something delicious on our campsites at the same time. I'm going to be barbecuing some chicken thighs and coating it in marmalade. We've all got sort of half-used jars of preserves, marmalades, jams, chutneys and things in the fridge at home, so it's worth grabbing one before you come out camping. Make brilliant marinades, or you can use things like pickles and chutneys in stews and curries for really deep flavour. I'm going to serve the chicken with griddled sweet potato wedges. I've parboiled them for about 7 minutes, so they're just soft enough that when you put them on the griddle, it'll only take a couple of minutes and you're just crisping up the outside. Lay them out on a plate and I'm just going to season them and put a little bit of oil on them, then put them to one side. The chicken's going to be really simple to start with. Coat it in some rapeseed oil and season well, and then pop it on the barbecue that I've heated to about 180. So just massage those chicken thighs, get them beautifully coated. Before I add the chicken on here, I'm just going to add a little bit of water to the bottom of the roasting tray. That keeps the chicken moist. You're going to roast them for 30 minutes, but turn them after 20 and then we'll put the coating on. To make the marmalade coating, you need 3 tablespoons of marmalade, half a dried red chilli, and then 2 cloves of garlic, which I'm just mincing. Finally, about 2 tablespoons of rapeseed oil. So you've got all your sugary coating, a bit of hot chilli in there, lovely taste of garlic, and the oil just to make that coating go on well. And now I need to put it on the chicken. So the easiest way to do this, get your chicken out into a tin, pour your marinade all over your chicken, and then you're going to put it back on the barbecue for another 20 minutes. Keep the barbecue down a bit lower because the sugar in the marmalade will start to burn. Most new vans these days have a really handy gas outlet, so you can use your quick release gas hose and attach your barbecue like this. It's all coming off the gas in your van. One top tip though, you've got to make sure that the hose is 2 meters long so you get a decent distance with the barbecue from your van. Now we're just going to take the chicken off, cover it with foil, keep it warm, and then we'll do the sweet potato wedges. Right, I'm just turning this off to make sure it's safe. So I'm just going to change the surface to my griddle pan now. A little bit of oil on the top. Don't forget the sweet potato wedges already have some oil on them. Just slide them on. They won't take very long because you've already parboiled them. So keep the heat up high and get the edges crispy. So they've had about 5 minutes. Look absolutely perfect. Got all those lovely barbecue griddle lines on that always really please me. So we've got marmalade chicken with a bit of kick of chilli and sweet potato wedges.